What's up guys, it's Double G, Double O, GGYLO, and for today's video, travel again tayo, and these are some of my vlogs na hindi ko na-upload this past few months na dumaan. But now, I'm sharing with you guys, we stayed here sa Tanay Rizal, specific place is Tanay Highlands, so we're looking na pag-dinner namin with my relatives and family, pero since madami talaga tao, we decided na maghanap na lang din pa. And ang cute ng aso na to, so nag-picture-picture na lang muna kami here.
Depende sa kumakain. 2 to 3 hours kumakain, mas matagal tayo.
Ngiti-ngiti ako,
Pero-
nakamas naman.
Matagal tayo, tagalan natin.
Diba? Pa tayo. Alabar na.
So, vlog take over yarn. So, nagpicture kami dito and ang ganda talaga ng view dito. Pero ayun, bumuhos din yung ulan. So, sakto talaga yung coffee and bulalo. So guys, right now we're here sa Windels Alfresco Cafe, a dine-in mountain resto located here at Tanay Rizal. So ang kinain namin, and I think we can recommend this, is yung kansi bololo soup and baked kalos casserole, which is my first time na matikman and masarap siya. So guys, pauwi na kami and super busog talaga kami. If you want to explore ng mga places here sa Rizal and mag-unwind with your friends, family, or relatives, we recommend this place. So yun lang guys, see you sa next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!